Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to be doing some stuff to the charger. I got some new LED side markers. As you can see right here, we have a amber one here in the back and a red one, or amber one in the front, red one in the back. Whew, long day. So here, I'll go ahead and I'll turn the lights on for you so you can see what I'm talking about. All right. So this is the amber one lit up. You got one little light in there throughout this whole strip. Same here on the back ones, one little light right there. So I went ahead and went to Diode, I don't know how you pronounce their name. I'll show it to you on the box. I'll also put a link down in the description below of where I got these. All right, so these are the new ones. These are going to be the ones we're switching to. So you might be able to see there's like a whole LED strip in here. That's going to be replacing the one light that's in here. For the narrow body charger guys, this video and the installation process might be a little different to you because the installation on the narrow body requires you pulling off some panels. I think because I have the wide body here, I can just get in behind right here and put them in. Whereas with the narrow bodies, you might actually have to pull your paneling back a little bit to actually get up in there. I really don't have a reference to show you what I'm talking about, but my buddy with the white scat pack charger, he had to like pull his, I don't know, like the plastic apart a little bit so he could get up in there and actually grab it. This, I think I'll just be able to pop a couple of those clips off, get in there, unscrew it, put the new one in, and be good to go. So let me go get my tools and we'll start getting on this, and I'll see you here in a second. All right, so it says here in the instructions that you're going to need a 10mm socket wrench down there, T25 Torx bit, and a trim removal tool. I do not have a trim removal tool. I'm just gonna go crazy without the trim removal tool. So I don't know if you can see in this picture, but that's definitely a narrow body charger. So we'll have to see, because here on the back, where is it at? Yeah, see, okay, right there. It wants you to pull back like the bottom part of your fender for the rear one. So you know what, I'm more of a, or I've become more of a, let's just pull it apart and see what we got type of person. So we're going to do that. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right, went ahead and removed these little clips. I just removed 4 of them. There's one here, one here, one here, and one here. And then I just pulled this little piece of trim back, and this little section popped off. You can just push it back in like so and be good. With that, I think I should be able to get my hand up in here. Yeah. All right. I might have to actually turn the steering wheel and get the stuff out, but I can feel the little Torx bits back in here. So you know what? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go turn the car on, turn the wheel towards the inside so I have more room to work with. Oh, would you look at that? Way more room. Okay. Let's get in here. Okay, so you have one bit there and another one right there. And we're just gonna remove those and pop this out. All right, so we got it out. See right there. That bottom screw seemed to be a little tougher to get. Mainly, I think, just because there's less range of motion than it was for the top one. But that's out, and we're gonna put the new one in. All right. It looks so much better. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's do the back. So as you might tell, it's light outside now. I had to stop recording last night. Some stuff came up, so yeah, we're back out here. Still only got the one on the front done, so now we're on to the back. This is the back passenger side. As you can tell, I'm not holding the camera because my boy Dell is recording for me. Say hi.
Yo.
Yo. He's the one with the white Charger, which is right there. And he has the same side markers that I'm putting on. He decided not to go with a wide body, but his is a narrow body 2020, red interior like mine, and yours is a 1 of 2.
1 of 2,
right?
yep.
I'll have a link down at the end of this video, but the production numbers on the Chargers have come out, and I just did a video on that, so make sure you go and check that out. All right, we're gonna get this thing off, maybe. All right, so when you're going to install these on your car, found out it's easier, and according to Dell, it's actually recommended in the instructions, and you know I didn't read those because I said last night that I'm just going to start popping shit off and trying to figure it out myself. So if you just go ahead and take the screws that you pulled out and just go ahead and like pre-screw these in, it'll make the installation process when you actually go to put your new ones in so much better. That way the screws can already be guided in and you won't have a tough time, you know, breaking your hand behind your tire putting these things in. So, you know, pro tip and instruction tip. All right, so the cord, it seems like the wires back here are a little tougher than the ones up front, but because there's not a lot more room to work with up front, you had like this much. Back here you have like that. So but yeah, there's the back one. It's off. I'm gonna go ahead and get this put on somehow, some way. There we go, like that. Boom. Back one looks good. Alright, now I just gotta get these screws in here really started so it won't go away. Alright, so we finally finished it up. We have the new LEDs in on all 4 corners, and I have to say it just looks amazing. Completely changes the look of this entire car. I highly recommend it. The link to Diode, however the hell you say that name, will be down in the description below. You can go out there, find them, get it for the narrow body like Collins has, or the wide body like mine. One thing to keep in mind though, if you do have a wide body, they will be the Torx bits and Torx bits keys to get the screws for the side markers off. Whereas on the narrow body, from what Collins has told me, is they're the hex instead, the hexes. So you know, just keep that in mind when you're going ahead and getting these. But we'll do a full walk around of the car. I think it looks great. You know, we're taking more and more color off of this car. You know, and kind of getting it to be like full black, which just makes it really look stealthy. I'll turn the lights off so you guys can see what they look like. Lights off. Bam. So the only thing that really has color left on my car is my my logos now, my emblem. So the 392 badges and the Scat Pack badge, and then the Dodge badge in the back, of course. Almost all of those will be coming off the car, but yeah, looks great. Cool. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff, and then give me a like and a comment if you know what you think about this. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Bye.